Hi guys, with this cool gadget, you'll be able to distract yourself from work and organize your thoughts. Hello Spheres are two gold-coated balls made of steel that can spin faster than 3,600 turns per minute. When exposed to a light source, such as a window or lamp, they create a mesmerizing kinetic light display. You can control their movement with your own breath and delight in the captivating sight they offer. In front of you is a Guinness World Records holder. It's an intelligent, self-balancing electric gyroscope disguised as a beautiful spinning top. It can spin for hours. You can choose between an aluminum or a titanium model. Each of the 4 models spins in its unique way. The motor and battery allow the top to spin for up to 4 hours on a single charge. It can also spin for 2 to 3 minutes when the battery is depleted. This top works on a regular table, but the specially manufactured stand allows for maximum rotation. There's also a model with a stronger battery that can rotate for 40 hours. This intriguing toy, despite its modest speed of only 30 rotations per minute, has the potential to captivate your attention. Encased in a silver or copper frame, a glass ball creates a mesmerizing illusion of an infinite spiral movement. Undoubtedly, this unique feature adds significant value to the toy. And this unusual lamp will create a magical atmosphere in any interior. A nylon string bound between 2 motors creates amazing standing waves. Each lamp has been programmed with 11 different color patterns, each one vividly unique from the others. You can even touch this kinetic sculpture if somehow you've gotten too involved. Don't worry, the set includes spare motors and strings. Feel Flux is a toy that defies gravity. Throw the ball into a special tube and watch something incredible. The ball is made of neodymium, the strongest magnet in the world, which is not only capable of holding a weight of 33 pounds, but also defying gravity and falling into an aluminum, copper, or pure silver tube. It's not hurrying to fall to the ground. You'll definitely surprise your friends with cool tricks with this toy and feel like a true magician. Sanskrit is another interesting gadget that you can look at all day. A steel ball controlled by magnets is moving on a plate with sand and creates beautiful patterns. If necessary, you can make some corrections to the pattern by moving the ball using the knob on the device. If it doesn't look like you've pictured, just shake the plate to level the sand, and the ball will start drawing again. The device comes with 2 steel balls of different sizes, sand, and an AIK power adapter. What do you think this is? This is an excellent gift for all space enthusiasts. 3 colored aluminum balls are orbiting around just like planets around the sun. Each of the planets acts as an arrow for the hours, minutes, and seconds. You can hang this clock on a wall or put it on your desktop and observe your own galaxy. If you love optical illusions, you'll definitely love this next gadget. Square Wave is made up of 20 one-connected metal rods that curve and mutate unexpectedly. With the introduction of energy, the repetition of identical elements is precisely calibrated to create complex fluid structures. It's manufactured in Italy in a factory with a 30-year history in metal machining. Each unit is assembled by hand and tested. Just bring the figure into motion and enjoy the designs transformed. Drown your negative thoughts in the colorful swirl of our next gadget. This toy is available in 5 colors: chrome, chocolate, gold, rose, and ice, which will undoubtedly attract the attention of your colleagues. The gadget is easy to assemble and has a leather base to prevent scratching the surface. Simply spin the gadget and observe the mesmerizing whirlpool. The liquid inside is easy to change. Unscrew the cap and refill. You can fill it with various liquids like oral rinse, fruit juice, oil, or colored water. If you wish, you can reveal your experimental side by adding different materials like pearl dust, sand, or liquids that have different densities. With a simple flick of the wrist, you can turn this striped spiral into a colorful cone and back into a spiral. Do this over and over again until you're no longer in a bad mood. Choose from the 4 colors available and use the Lollipur as an anti-stress toy or simply a cool desk decoration. Another toy is the Endless Spiral. No matter how much you pull it, the spiral never ends. It's a simple yet mysterious illusion. In reality, your fingers slide across the metal when you pull, and the 2 wires rotate. You don't have to tell your friends, though. You can just show them your magic. The next 2 gadgets are similar to the Endless Spiral. The first one is an aerospace-grade aluminum ball that creates a mesmerizing effect of a spherical spiral continuously phasing into the table. The second toy is crafted from solid stainless steel, brass, or copper and takes the shape of a cylinder, but it looks exceptionally cool nevertheless. Either of these gadgets would be a fantastic addition to your desk. By the way, what's your favorite desktop toy? Are you feeling dizzy from all the spirals in this video? We would like to introduce you to another desktop game from this series. A rotating coin that can spin for an impressive 12 minutes. The manufacturer's record stands at an impressive 15 minutes. Do you think you can beat that? When observing the coin from above, while it rotates, you'll be mesmerized by the sight of a continuous spiral crafted from high-quality materials like stainless steel, brass, or copper. The coin comes in a sleek leather case, adding to its elegance. The following kinetic toy shows a whole new perspective on Newton's classic pendulum. Like in the metal version of this toy, to make it work, you have to pull out a ball and release it to see the laws of physics in action. But with light accompaniment, these beautiful and bright balls with LEDs and 3 backlight modes will definitely help you relax and take a break from work. Beblau is a desktop toy that will help you stop the frantic flow of thoughts, slow down, and show the hypnotizing effect of wobbling. By moving the ball along the rod, you can control the speed of the gadget. The higher the ball is located, the slower the speed when stopped. It can be a stylish decoration for your desktop. Ferrofluid is a unique fluid that contains tiny magnetic particles, typically made of iron or iron oxide, suspended in a liquid carrier, often a solvent or oil. These magnetic nanoparticles are so small that they do not settle under normal circumstances, allowing them to remain suspended evenly throughout the fluid. The interesting properties of ferrofluid arise from its response to magnetic fields. When exposed to a magnetic field, the magnetic nanoparticles align themselves along the lines of the magnetic field, causing the fluid to become magnetized. This alignment creates stunning and dynamic patterns, giving the ferrofluid a mesmerizing appearance as it forms spikes and ripples in response to the magnetic force. Fidget spheres are small, handheld gadgets designed to be manipulated with your hands to provide sensory stimulation and help improve focus and concentration. They often come in different shapes, sizes, and materials, and they can have various features, including magnets, textures, and other interactive elements. Magnetic fidget toys, on the other hand, typically incorporate magnets into their design, allowing them to stick together or repel each other, creating unique tactile and auditory experiences. Some magnetic fidget toys come in the form of spheres, cubes, bars, or other geometric shapes, which can be rearranged and connected in various ways.